we had in fact already started the process, and then at one point there was some concerns that were raised by NGT. To be very specific, NGT wanted the government of Meghalaya to transport the coal from the quarry to the depot. And earlier we had proposed that let the coal miner himself bring the coal from the depot to the from the mines to the depot, because it is difficult for the state government to go into this. But the NGT did not agree to that, and therefore we had to go through the process of actually getting transporters to transport those products. And in the initial stage, when we went for a tendering process to get transporters, we did not get response. So then we had to then finally go into the district level, and the deputy commissioners then called this particular tendering process locally, and we got response in 2 of the districts. And so now hopefully we'll be able to move things faster. So these kind of unforeseen situations did come up, but we have to follow the rules and the laws, and as per prescribed by the NGT. So because of that there was a slight delay, but I'm hopeful that things will move now in a faster pace because the transporters have been finalized now.